Hey everybody, it's your girl Trintra, and you can tell from the title, Slime. Leave in the comments down below if you love slime. And this is my white slime. If you can see it, yeah. This is it break, but it's also stretchy. I like it. I like the texture. So you can take on your day. Text or come and start the activity of probiotic challenge today. Yeah. Something you should know. There's a serious virus out there that 1 in 30 boomers has, yet most don't even know. So this is my first slime. This is my second slime. And yes, all of these slimes have glitter in it. And then I have this jumbo slime. It's stretchy. And it's hokey too. I'm trying to get it straight now so you guys can see. Hokey. So. So yeah, that's that slime. I have another slime in my container. Oh, you guys just saw that. It's a knife. I haven't stirred. It's the best knife though. So here is my slime. It looks like it's because it's been in the container for a good little minute, good little while. And so I'm gonna take it. God. Reflection on. Y'all hear that? I love this song. Time for what? Pokey time. So. Injured on the job? Don't go it alone. The Echols Law Firm will help get the money you need for the medical bills and the disability benefits you deserve. Call 912-222-2222. The Echols Law Firm, the Justice Lord. I trust U.S. Marine George C. And you guys, so this is the end of my video for my slime video. And make sure you subscribe to my videos. And make sure you hit that notification button so you never miss one of my new videos. Bye, you guys. And make sure you get this to 3,000 likes. Bye. If you're new to this channel, join the Trinity Squad. It's like the TT Squad. You know that's Tiana's, but bye, you guys. Bye.